This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 8 of the 2015-2016 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 50,894 tons of cane. So far, for the 8 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 346,284 tons of cane. That is 70,466 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 416,750 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,877 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 8, and a total of 30,576 tons for the 8 weeks of crop. That figure continues to be much less than the 49,670 tons produced last year. For the 8th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,271 tons cane per day and 6,184 tons cane per day for the 8 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,442 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 8, juice purity first expressed stood at 84.63%, 83.71% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 88.12% last year. For the 8th week of crop, it took 10.44 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 8 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 11.33. Last year, it stood at 8.39. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.33% was recorded for this week, 95.22% for the 8 weeks of crop, and 95.27% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 99.41% and 93.43% for the 8 weeks of crop and 97.42% last crop. Cañeros, tengan cuidado de no traer fierros, piedras y otros objetos en la caña, ya que esto provoca fallos y paradas en la fábrica. Por cada hora perdida, se pierde una molienda de 300 toneladas o más.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.